Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. So in this video we're going to be going over how to get Cinnamon working in Ubuntu. So right now I'm using Ubuntu 18.04 and I'm going to set up Cinnamon on it. So to start off you're going to need to add a new software repository, and that's just done by opening up a terminal and you can do the commands. And of course, as always, the information on this is in the article below in the description if you need to follow along. But start off by just doing sudo add apt repository and then ppa ambrosin cinnamon. Enter the password. Then you press enter. It will go through and it'll update, and we know that it has a Bionic release, which is 18.04, so everything is all good. It can grab the latest release, and from there we can install the upgrades if we'd like. Because I'm making a video and I don't really want to wait for all of the upgrades to install, I'm going to skip that part, and I'm going to install everything that we need. So that would be sudo apt install cinnamon, blueberry, cinnamon, blue, tooth, cinnamon, control, center, and if you'd like you can just do cinnamon asterisk, which will select all packages like that. But one second here. And that will install hopefully all of the stuff that we need from Launchpad and get us the correct tools for running Cinnamon on Ubuntu. Now, the installation is going to take a bit of time, but it'll be done soon. It's going to install, and we'll be ready to use it. So now that everything is installed, we can reboot. So now that everything is installed, we can exit the session we have now and we can reboot. And to do that, you can reboot your session. You don't have to actually reboot the entire system, but once you log out, you should be able to see the new session that we've just installed, and that should be right about here. We have Cinnamon, and then we can log in like so. And we have Cinnamon on Ubuntu, which is not the normal. That's not normal, like they don't ship it, so it's kind of cool that you can do that. And this is just a regular Cinnamon setup. So that's about it, you guys. If you're looking to get Cinnamon on Ubuntu, especially 18.04, it's possible. Just check out the steps in the article below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.